By fusing the luxury of a five-star suite on wheels with the elegance of Bentley's automotive heritage, the 2025 Bentley Grand Touring Motorhome completely redefines luxury travel. This motorhome, designed for discerning adventurers, offers an unparalleled experience on the road by fusing ultra-premium design with exceptional performance. External style. The Bentley Motorhome's sleek, aerodynamic, and dominating shape is an architectural wonder. A lightweight, strengthened aluminum chassis supports its imposing dimensions, which are adorned with a special pearl effect Bentley paint finish. It has a dignified road presence thanks to its 22-inch alloy wheels, polished chrome details, and signature Bentley crystal-cut LED headlights. Features of the interior. The living room enter a sophisticated lounge encased in beautiful walnut wood and hand-stitched diamond-quilted leather. The living area is both high-tech and tranquil thanks to a touch panel ambient lighting system, a retractable 65-inch OLED smart TV, and an integrated Naim surround sound system. Comfort is increased to a new level with motorized fireplaces and power-reclining massage seats. Bedroom. The private bedroom has memory foam comfort, adaptive climate management, and a full king-size mattress bearing the Bentley name. Long trips can be made more comfortable with features like a retractable skylight above the bed, underbed storage, and elegant suede paneling. A modern toilet with a bidet, a vanity made of Carrara marble, and a rainfall shower with marble-tiled walls are all features of a complete bathroom. Even on chilly trips, luxury is guaranteed by heated floors and fog-free mirrors. Dining and kitchen. The kitchen is small but well-equipped, with a refrigerator, wine cooler, induction cooktop, and espresso maker built right in. Fine china and crystalware are kept safe in shock-proof, velvet-lined compartments in the fold-out eating area. Performance and technology. A hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine with adjustable air suspension and all-wheel drive powers the Bentley Motorhome. Among the features are real-time satellite navigation with weather routing, 360-degree outside camera view with AI obstacle recognition, Level 3 autonomous driving, and an integrated solar panel on the roof for off-grid power. The 2025 Bentley Motorhome is a movable luxury house as well as a means of transportation. It guarantees that every moment of your journey is as beautiful as your destination, whether you're sailing the coast or tucked away in the mountains.